Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I introduce short skirts outfit. A short skirts outfit is a timeless fashion choice that perfectly balances confidence, elegance, and modern style, designed to highlight the legs and create a flattering silhouette. This outfit appeal that suits a wide range of occasions. The short skirts sits comfortable at the waist or hips, offering a tailoring fit that enhances the natural curves while allowing ease of movement. Whether crafted from soft cotton, structured denim, luxurious satin, or flowy chiffon, the fabric adds its own unique character to the overall look, paired with a stylish top such as fitted blouse, crop sweater, classic shirt, or trendy tank. The short skirt outfit can be effortlessly based, dressed up or down. The combination creates a harmonious balance between structure and flow, making it suitable for casual daytime wear, evening outings, or semi-formal gatherings. Subtle design details like pleats, buttons, zippers, or wrap style cuts with visual interest and elevate the outfit overall appeal. Footwear plays a key role in completing the look. Sneakers or flats offers a relaxed casual vibe, while heels, ankle boots, or sandals enhances the elegance and sophistication. Accessories such as belt, handbags, jewelry, or sunglasses further personalize the outfit, allowing the wearer to express the individual style when layered with jackets, cardigans, or blazer. The short skirt outfit transition beautifully across seasons. Overall, a short skirt outfit represents confidence, versatility, and contemporary fashion. It is a statement piece that empowers the wearer, making it an essential addition to any modern wardrobe. A short skirt outfit is a bold yet elegant fashion choice that reflects confident modern style and youthful charm. This outfit is designed to create a flattering silhouette while offering comfort and versatility. The short length add a playful touch, making it a popular options to contemporary wardrobes and trend-focused styles. Design and tribute the design of a short skirt focus on enhancing the natural shape of the body. It typically sits at the waist or slightly above the hips or creating a balanced and proportional look. Styles may include a line cut, bodycon, fade splitted designs, wrap skirts, or flattered silhouette. Each design offers a unique aesthetic from sleek and minimal to fun and feminine fabric and material quality. Short skirts are crafted from a variety of fabrics to suit different occasions and seasons. Cotton and denim provide durability and everyday comfort, with satin, silk, chiffon, or velvet added luxurious and refined feel. Stretchable material ensures flexibility and ease of movement, while breathable fabric keep the outfit comfortable throughout the day. Color options and patterns available in a wide range of colors. Short skirts can be found in classic shades like black, white, beige, and denim blue, as well as bold tones such as red, emerald, or pastel hues. Patterns including checks, floral prints, and stripes, and abstract prints, and personality and visual interest, allowing the outfit to stand out effortlessly. Styling and outfit pairing. A short skirt pairs beautifully with many types of tops, including fitted blouse, casual t-shirts, crop tops, sweaters, or structured shirt for polished look. It can be styled with a tucked-in blouse or tailored top, layering with jackets, cardigans, blazers, or coats enhances versatility and allow easy transition between seasons. Footwear compatibility. Footwear choices, significance, influence, and overall look. A short skirt outfit, sneakers, and flats create a relaxed and casual appearance, while heels, ankle boots, or strappy sandals elevate the outfit for formal evening occasion. Knee-high boots paired with the short skirts of a bold and fashion-forward statement. Accessories and finishing touches. Accessories plays an important role in completing the short skirts outfit. Belts helps define the waist, while handbags, clutches, and shoulders bags are practicality and style. Jewelry such as earring, necklaces, and bracelet enhance the elegance, and sunglasses or hats add a trendy street style vibe. The short skirts outfit is suitable for various occasions, including casual outings, shopping trips, brunches, dates, and parties, and semi-formal events. With the right styling, it can easily shift from the day wear to evening wear, making it a versatile and valuable wardrobe piece. Despite stylish appearance, a well-designed short skirt ensures comfort and confidence. Soft linings and smooth seams and secure closure contributes to a comfortable wearing experience, allowing the wearer to move freely while maintaining a polished look. Overall fashion appeal. A short skirt outfit represents modern femininity, confidence, and visuality. It is a timeless fashion essential that blends style with functionality, making it a must-have choice for those who love enjoy expressive themselves through fashions. The short skirts outfit is a powerful expression of modern fashion, combining elegance, confidence, and youthful energy. It is the design for individual for appreciate style that is both bold and versatile. With its flattering length and adaptable design, the short skirt outfit has become a staple in contemporary wardrobes across the world. Short skirts symbolize freedom, confidence, and modern femininity. They effortlessly blend classic fashion elements with the current trends, making them suitable for formal, casual, chic statement look. This outfit reflects individuality while maintaining a polished and fashionable appearance. The defining feature of this outfit is carefully balanced short skirt length, designed to elongate the legs and enhances body proportions. The shirt offers a refined yet playful look. The length is tailored to provide comfort and confidence while maintaining a stylish edges. Short skirts are available in high waist, mid waist, and low waist designs, each offering a distinct visual appeal. High waist styles define the waist and create an hourglass short silhouette, while mid the low rise options delivers a relaxed, trendy aesthetic. Precision tailoring ensures smooth and flattering fit. Fabric selection textures crafted from premium quality fabric. Short skirts are designed for durability and comfort. Cotton denim provides structure and everyday variability, while satin, silk, leather, velvet, and chiffon introduce luxury and elegance. This texture, fabric, and depth elevate the overall appearance to the outfit. Breathability and comfort features. Comfort a key element of the short skirt outfit. Breathability materials. Soft liners, linings, and flexible stitching ensure all-day comfort. Stretch panels or elastic waistband enhances the mobility, allowing effortless movement without compromising style. Color patterns and visual variety. Short skirts are available in extensive range of colors from timeless neutrals and such as black, white, beige, and grey to bold shades like royal red, blue, emerald green, and pastel tones. The variety allow effortless coordinating with the different tops and accessories, pattern prints and details from clean solid color to eye-catching patterns. Short skirt offer ended design possibilities, floral prints, check strips and polka dots, and abstract design add personality. Decorative elements such as button pleats, embroidery zippers, and wrap ties enhances visual interest. These short skirts outfit pairs seamlessly with various tops. Casual t-shirt, tank tops create a relaxed look, while blouses, shirts, and neck tops and shoppification crop tops emphasize modern trends, while oversized sweaters provide a balanced and cozy contrast. Seasonal styling adaptability. Short skirts are suitable for all seasons with appropriate styling. In warmer months, they pair with light fabric and breathable tops. During cooler seasons, they can be styled with tights, boots, coats, cardigans, or blazers for warmth and elegance. Footwear plays a vital role in defining the outfit. Mode sneakers and flats offers casual comfort, while heels, wedges, and sandals elevate the look for formal evening wear. Ankle boots and knee-high boots add a bold, fashion-forward edges. Accessories and styling enhancement. Accessories complete the short skirts outfit beautifully. Belts accumulate the waist, handbags, and functionality, and jewelry enhances elegance. Sunglasses, scarves, and hats contribute to stylish and confident overall appearance. This outfit is suitable for a wide range of occasions, including casual outings, shopping trips, brunch dates, parties, vacations, and semi-formal gatherings with the right stylish. It is easily transition from day wear to evening elegance. A short skirt outfit empowers the wearer by highlight the natural beauty and promoting self-confident design for different body types. It celebrates individuality and encourages personal style expression. Easy care fabric and quality stitching make short skirts practical for regular wear. Many designs are machine washable or easy to maintain, ensuring long-lasting beauty and functionality. While short skirts continuously evolve with the fashion trends, they remain timeless wardrobe essential. Their adaptability ensures they stays relevant seasons after season without losing their classic charm. The short skirt out is more than just a clothing, it's a fashionable statement that represents elegance, confidence, modern lifestyles with its versatility, comfort, and visual appeal. It remains an essential piece for anyone who values stylish and expressive fashions. Introduction to short skirt outfit. The short skirt outfit is a striking representation of contemporary fashion that blends elegance and confidence. They reflect confidence, creativity, and individuality while aligning with the evolving fashion trends. These outfits allow wearers to express their personal style, whether minimal, chic, edgy, playful, or sophisticated, making it a true symbol of modern fashion culture. Skirt length, definition, styling, impact. The carefully measured short length is one of the most defining Feature of this outfit: it enhances leg appearance and creates visuality. Elongated silhouette: the length is designed to feel stylish and confident while maintaining comfort and variability, making it suitable for multiple fashion preferences. Waistline construction: body enhancement. Short skirts are crafted with various waistline design, including high waist, mid rise, and low rise options. High waist skirts accentuate the waist and provide a sculpted look, while mid and low rise designs offers a relaxed and trendy feel. Each construction enhances natural body proportions. Expert tailoring ensures that the short skirt fits smoothly without discomfort. Structured seams, refined folds, stitch, and carefully shaped panels provide a flattering fit that hugs the body where needed and allows freedom of movement. The result is a refined, polished appearance. Short skirts are made from premium quality fabrics selected for durability, comfort, and style. Cotton and denim provide breathability and casual strength, while satin, silk, velvet, leather, and chiffon add luxury and elevated stretch. Brands ensure flexibility and all-day comfort. The textures of the fabric enhance the visual appeal of the outfit. Matte finishes create a clean and understandable look, while glossy or textured fabric enriches depth. Soft linear leanings and improve comfort and prevent irritation during extended wear. Comfort is a core element. Color and spectrum and shades versatility. Short skirts are available in as selective colored petals. Neutral tones such as black, white, being gray, and navy provide timeless being elegance, while vibrant shades like red, emerald, cobalt blue, and soft pastels provide timeless elegance, fine freshness, and boldness to the outfit. Pattern prints and decorative elements from classic solid design to expressive prints. Short skirts offer endless variety, floral patterns, femininity, checks, and styles. Create structure in abstract prints, bring artistic flair. Decorative elements like pastels, buttons, embroidery, zippers, lace trills, and wrap ties enhance detail. The short skirts outfit pairs effortlessly with a wide range of tops, casual t-shirts, tanks, create a relaxed look. Blouses and shirts are refinement. Crop tops highlight modern trends, and knitwear provide warmth and balance. Each pairing transforms the outfit overall tone. Layering and outwear coordinating. Layering enhances both style and functionality. Jacket, cardigans, blazers, and coats are shrugs can be styled with short skirts to create seasonal versatility. Layering add depth and allow the outfit transition smoothly between weather conditions. Short skirts are suitable for year-round wear. In summer, they offer breathability and lightness. In cooler season, pairing with tights, boots, and warm layers ensures comfortable without compromising style. This adaptability makes them a wardrobe essential. Footwear pairing options. Footwear significantly influences the outfit. Personality, sneakers and flats create a casual street style look. Heels and wedges add sophistication, while ankle boots and knee-high boots brings boldness and modern edges to the outfit. Accessories and styling essence. Accessories elevate the short skirt outfit. Bags define the waist. Handbags add functionality, and jewelry enhances elegance. Sunglasses, scarves, hats, and watches complete the look, allowing endless customizations and personal expression. This outfit is suitable for casual outings, occasions, shopping trips, or brunches, vacation parties, dates, and semi-formal events. With simple adjustment in styling, this same skirt can move seamlessly from daytime comfort to evening glamour. Wearing a short skirt outfit promotes confidence, self-expression. It highlights individuality, celebrates body positivity, and empowers the wearer to feel stylish and self-assured in any setting. Short skirts are designed for real-life wear. Easy care fabric, durable stitching, and secure closures ensure long-term usability. Many styles are machine washable and resistant to wear, making them practical for frequent use. Fashion trends and timeless value. While short skirts continue to elevate with the fashion trends, their core appeal remains timeless. They adapt to new styles while retaining classic elegance, ensuring long-term relevance in any wardrobe. Brand and lifestyle representation. The short skirt outfit represent a lifestyle of confidence, creativity, and modern elegance. It aligns with fashion-forward brands that prioritize quality, versatility, and expressive design. This short skirt outfit is more than a fashion item, and it's a powerful style statement. With its perfect balance of comfort, elegance, and versatility, it remains an essential piece for those who appreciate refined yet expressive fashion. The short skirt outfit is a defined yet bold fashion essential that seamlessly blends modern aesthetic with timeless appeal. Designed to highlight confident individuality, this outfit offers a perfect harmony between structure, elegance, and contemporary style. It is a wardrobe staples that adapts effortlessly to changing trends while maintaining its classic charm. Historical influence and fashion innovations, short skirts have evolved through decades, and fashion history symbolizing library, creativity, and modern expressions. From vintage inspiration to contemporary runways inspirations, the short skirt outfit has continuously reinvented itself, making it a powerful fashion icon across generations. Style. This outfit reflects a strong style, personality, confident, expressive, and trend aware. Whether styled for minimal elegance or bold statement look, the short skirt outfit adapts to different fashion identities, including casual chic, urban street wear, and elegance and modern sophistication. Length, precision, visual balance. The carefully designed short length create a visually balanced silhouette that enhances leg definition while maintaining elegance. The proportion is crafted to feel flattering rather than overwhelming, offering graceful blend of playfulness and refinement. Waist construction plays a crucial role in comfort and fit. High waist design offers sculpting, sport, and polished look, while mid and low rise options provide a relaxed and contemporary vibe. Secure waistband ensures stability and confidence throughout the wear. Silhouette variations. Short skirts are available in multiple silhouettes, including A-line, straight cut, flared wrap, pleated, asymmetrical, and body-hugging designs. Each silhouette creates a distinctive visual effect, allowing the wearer to choose styles that complements their body shape and fashion's preference. Premium fabric are carefully selected to ensure durability, softness, and visual elegance. Advanced textiles balance enhances stretch, breathability, and shape. Retination from breathable cotton to luxurious appeal, satin texture, tweed. Each fabric contributes to the outfit overall quality. Inner lining and construction quality, high quality liner. Inner linings prevent transparency, enhances comfort, and improve structure refinement. Seams and fine stitching ensure long-lasting wear, maintaining the skirt original shape and even after repeated use. Comfort technology and movement is designed with movement in mind. Short skirts often include stretch panels, flexibility, waistband, and smooth closure. These features allow freedom of movement while maintaining a tailored and polished appearance throughout the day. Color theory and styling impact. Color choices influences the mood of the outfit. Neutral tones create timeless showcase, while vibrant color introduce energy and boldness. Pastels conveys softness and femininity, while darker shades offer elegance and dramatic appeal. Print designs and artistic expressions. Print transforms short skirts into statement pieces. Floral prints convey geometric patterns, reflect modern design, and abstract prints offer aesthetic flares. Carefully placed prints enhances the overall visual harmony of the outfit. Detailing and decorative craftsmanship. Details such as pleats, embroidery, dash trims, meticulous button, wrap ties, zippers, and paneling elevate the skirt's aesthetic value. These finishing touches reflect craftsmanship and the attention to design excellence. Top coordinating and styling harmony. Short skirts pair effortlessly with fitted top, oversized skirts, knitwear, blouses, corset style tops, and modern crop designs. Each combination create a unique fashion narrative, allowing endless styling versatility, layering techniques, and style depth. Layering added dimension, practicality, blazers create a professional edges, denim jacket, and casual charm, and coats provide seasonal warmth. Strategic layering transforms the short skirt outfit into a year-round fashion solution. Seasonal fashion imitation. This outfit transitions seamlessly across season, light fabric and open footwear suited summer, while tight boots and heavier layers make it ideal for autumn and winter styling without compromising elegance. Footwear influence or to overall look. Footwear defines the outfit tone. Sneakers create reflexed and street relaxed street style. Heels introduce glamour. Sandals offer summer ease of movement. Boots and strength and attitude. Each option reshapes the outfit character. Accessories styling personalization. Accessories enhance individuality. Belt shapes the waist, bags, and add functionality. Add jewelry, introduce refinement. Scarves, sunglasses, and watches provide finishing touches that complement the look. Occasion-based styling flexibility. Short skirt outfit are suitable for casual wear occasions, social gathering, day nights, parties, fashion events, and semi-formal occasion styling and adjustable allow the same piece to serve multiple purposes. Modern short skirts are designed with the inclusive in mind. These diverse fits and style celebrate different body types, empowering wearer to embrace confident personal beauty. Easy care fabric, color fast and dyes, and durable stitching make short skirt particle for everyday use. Many designs are resistant to wrinkle and fading, ensure long-term variability. Many modern short skirts are produced using sensitive fabric and ethical manufacturing practices. This reflects a growing commitment to a responsible fashion without sacrificing style or quality, trend adaptability, and longevity. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.